हेलो गाइस। वेलकम बैक टू द न्यू वीडियो। सो आज के लिट कोड डेली क्वेश्चन इजी मार्क गया। एंड ये क्वेश्चन इजी है भी, मतलब ये ब्रूट फोर्स से भी सोल्व हो जाएगा। सॉरी फॉर द डिस्टरबेंस। ओके, तो let's first is the question, and the logic part is very simple. I'll make this question also very easy for you to understand this if you haven't solved till now. So what is the question says? So we have given an array nums, return true if the array was originally sorted in non-decreasing order. Yeah, everyone know that what is the meaning of non-decreasing order. There is two things. The first thing is decreasing, second is non-decreasing. Decreasing means 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is decreasing. Non-decreasing means reverse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is non-decreasing. And it does not mean that it's strictly there is nothing mentioned about strictly non-decreasing. Means 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4. This is also valid, this is also valid, this is invalid. Okay, easy thing. Now there might be a duplicate in the original array. Yeah, as I mentioned here, what you have to do? Note. Okay, so direct let me jump this to this example, then it will be very easy for you to understand. We have given an array and it is rotated by some x position. So let's say if we have array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the index are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If I am rotating this array by let's say 2 position, then what will happen? So the means currently I am at index I, and if I am rotating by 2, so I plus 2. So if I am at 0, so 0 plus 2, 2. So this will come here, then this will come here, this will come here, this 4 is here, and then 5 is here. Okay, so this will be my array. So this type of array is given here. Here they does not specify that there should be always a rotation. It means there is a, let's say I have this value as x, so it's not like the x is always greater than 0. X is also equal to 0. Means if I have given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then this is also a valid input. So for this case I have to return true. Okay, because this is sorted and rotated with 0 position. Yeah, so then what are the false case? So this is the false case where 2, 1, 3, 4. So if you will try to check with the sorted is 1, 2, 3, 4. If you are comparing 1, 1, yeah, now 2 is part of this input array, but 2 is not after the 1. Understood? If let's say it's sorted anywhere by any number of position, then always the after 1 2 will be there, but here 2 is before 1, means 2 is a greater which is up before 1, so it will be not as a sorted plus rotated, so that's why this is false. Now what are the brute force approaches possible? I'll not code, or I'll not tell you how to code brute force, but I'll just tell you the if you want to solve this in brute force way, how you can solve this. Okay, I think many of you know how to solve the brute force. Yeah, so directly let me jump to the optimal solution. Directly you'll able to understand the optimal solution, because brute force is very easy for you, and it is very intuitive, but yeah, the optimal might not be that much intuitive for many of you. So let's see. If I have input as 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Now one thing that you have to check here is, if I am plotting let's say graph of this, so what can be the line look like? So 3 will be here, 3 let's say here, 4 here, 1 here, 2 here. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, I did something wrong while taking the input. It should be like 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. Now yeah, this is the line. So how it's look like? First 4, then 5, then dip 1, then 2, then 3. It is like that. It means after the max element here there is dip, and there is a one dip. Okay, so there is only exactly one dips there. Now many of you thinking, what about the repeated? When we have repeated element, let's say we have 4, 5, 5, 5, 1, 2, 3, then it look like 4, 5, 5, 5, 1, 2. Okay, okay, 5, 5, 5, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so here also you can see from higher level to lower layer there is a one dip. Here also increasing and continuous, there is a one dip, and again there is increasing, so at most one dip is there. If our array is properly sorted and rotated, then then there will be at most one dip. At most one dip. Now how I am still not saying exactly one dip. So yeah, you can say that this is our example. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's like a increasing sequence only. There is a nothing like a dip. Yeah, so here the dip is 0. This is also our answer. Here dip is 1. This is also our answer. So what we can say, at most one dip. Yeah, if at most one dip is there, then our answer is fine. So let me tell you what we have to check. So we are traversing array. Okay, and after traversing, what we condition we are checking, we have to find the number of dips, means how many times it will changing its state from greater to lower. Okay, so what will be the condition? If my nums of I is greater than, means my current is greater than nums of I plus 1. Okay, mod n, I can accommodate so that if my array is got out of bound, then for the previous elements, like here after 5, I am going to 1 or 2, 3. Okay, yeah. I think here the mode is also not required. Hmm. Only I have to count the number of dips. Yeah. If this is the case, then I have to do count plus plus. At the out of the loop, I am checking if my count is less than equal to 1, means at most one dip is there, then return true, else return false. So yeah, if you want, then let's do a dry run. Dry run for 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. Index are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I am checking this condition, nums of I, my I is starting from here. If nums of I is greater than this, no. Okay, initially my count is 0. So let's check, nums of I is greater than nums of I plus 1. No. So count is not there, then I'll increasing I. Here nums of I greater than I plus 1, yes. So count is increased by 1. Now I here. Nums of I greater than I plus 1, no. Nums of I greater than, no. Nums of I is greater than I plus 1, no. I is out of bound. So my count is 1, which is satisfying this case. So I am returning true. Easy, easy explanation. Now let me show you the code also. So as you can see, guys, this is the code. What we are doing here, first find count, which is checking the how many dips are there. This is what that condition, if nums of I is greater than nums of I plus 1 mod, and here there will be no issue also. And if the dip is less than equal to 1, then return true, means at most one dip, and otherwise return false. Okay, let me submit the code also. Yeah, as you can see, easy. Okay, thank you guys.